In this video, you'll learn how to fix the Claude Code authentication error. The steps outlined will help you reset your login information and establish a fresh session to resolve common authentication issues. The first step involves performing a clean slate reset. This process requires you to delete the local files that store your login information. Begin by opening PowerShell on your system. In the PowerShell window, type the command remove item -path $nvem user profile claude-recurse-force. This command will remove the hidden configuration folder that contains your login details. Once you press enter, there will be no visible confirmation, but the command will execute and the folder will be removed. Next, you need to start Claude again. Type Claude in the PowerShell window and press enter. At this point, Claude will recognize that you are not logged in and will provide a new login link. If the browser does not open automatically, you can press C in the terminal to copy the login URL. After copying, paste it into your browser to access the login page directly. If you encounter a 401 unauthorized error during your session, it is important to exit the session completely. You can do this by pressing Ctrl+C in the terminal. After exiting, repeat the remove item command to delete the configuration folder again. This step is crucial because sometimes active sessions retain an old expired key, which can lead to continued authentication errors even after attempting to log in. For users utilizing a Claude console or API key, ensure that your API key is correctly set in your environment. You can temporarily set it for your current session by typing $environfropis API key example with your actual API key. This step ensures that Claude has the necessary credentials to authenticate your session properly. If you are part of a team plan and find that your login is successful in the browser but still fails in the terminal, verify your user seat starter, contact your administrator to ensure your seat is not marked as unassigned. Switching it to standard often resolves the internal server error that you might be facing. To verify that the authentication issue has been resolved, run the diagnostic tool. In PowerShell, type Claude Doctor and press enter. This command will provide you with your current status and confirm whether the authentication error has been fixed.